Hi everyone and welcome to 5 Minute Session. Today we will discuss the calculated field in the pivot table. But before that, previously we have discussed the pivot tables, and if you haven't watched that tutorial, then I strongly recommend you to first watch that tutorial. I will mention the link in the I button and also in the description. So without wasting any time, let's begin this video. Okay, we have the same datasets and the pivot table which we have created in the previous tutorial, and we will take the advancement from here. See, this is the reason that I have recommended you to watch the previous session. We have summary that each salesperson sold how many units in each country. But to make it more dynamic and understanding, I want to add the profit percentage with each value. But if we look into our data, we only has the profits and there is no profit percentage available in it. So what's the solution then? Do I need to create another column in the data? Absolutely not. Why? Because this facility will be provided by the pivot table, which is called calculated field. If you haven't subscribed the channel till now, please subscribe the channel first and also hit the bell icon to get yourself notified about the new tutorials. Okay, actually the question is, what calculated field do? Actually, it will allow you to let any calculation happen which make your output more symmetric and meaningful. So go to value section, click on add and then click on calculated field. Here if you can see, it is asking a formula, and in my case to calculate profit percentage, it should be profit divided by total sale. Just copy the headers and paste there. It gives me error here. Why? Because if you have single word as a column header, it works fine, but when you have more than one word as a column header, then you have to enclose the headers with the single notation to let pivot know it is the text and a column header. Let me apply the changes. Now see, this works, and how beautifully it has calculated profit percentage of each salesperson in each city. If we look into the column headers in the pivot table column header shows the weird gestures. Let's change the column names in the pivot table. My first column is the quantity. Click on the column header and then change the column name. And it would automatically change the name of others of same category. Let's apply this with the calculated field. If you have noticed here on the right side in the pivot controls, column name has also changed. I'm done for today. Hope you have learned from this tutorial. If you have learned from this tutorial, please do like, comment and share. We will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, take care, good care and peace.